So in this step, I would like to show you how you add a domain, click an add-on domain, so to speak, if you have already an existing hosting package. So you click on add-on, and then you type in this case, for instance, the domain name, purpose marketing, and you also want to make sure that you create an FTP account already or automatically. So this is FTP, file transfer protocol. And I'll show you that later how you can connect with this. And whatever username you create here, that's really up to you, but I leave it purpose@purpose.marketing. And then you pick basically a super nice password that is really strong. And I really recommend that you always use a very, very strong password with lower cases and upper cases and, like numbers, etc., because it's very easy to be hacked, especially WordPress users and hosting companies are always dealing with that stuff. So pick something that is really, really strong and long, and you add that specific domain. So that's about it. Now you added a domain, and the hosting company should be actually then ready to basically connect the domain name also to the hosting server with the right DNS, and you also see like here that the FTP account was successfully created. I also wanted to mention that I purchased an SSL, so it's the security server protocol, I guess, and this is also important. You should always have an SSL, and how we check then the SSL status, and also how you can reach your domain name you just purchased through the World Wide Web. I'm going to show you this in the next video.